We are 4 real families.
From 4 different places.
We've got very busy lives.
With the help of LG ThinQ Up, we're ready to step up.
We are ready to clean up,
grow up,
shape up,
and glow up.
This is Life on the Us.
We're building our dream home in the country.
But we have to learn how to balance our busy lives in the city with the task of building a home from scratch on the weekends.
Living 2 lives means double the workload.
We're a big family and we lead very busy lives.
Our kids are always leaving stuff around the house.
I feel like I'm cleaning all day and then they still find a way to make it messy.
We live in Los Angeles in the perfect neighborhood. When we moved here, I wanted this to be our forever home.
Yeah, but the problem is with the outdated kitchen and all the broken appliances, we can't even enjoy a home-cooked meal.
We're first-time parents trying to adjust to a whole new way of life.
Yeah, no sleep, no alone time, and no going out with friends.
Way more dishes and endless laundry.
Tomorrow starts a new chapter in this house with a new kitchen and LG ThinQ Up.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Goodness. When I first walked into the laundry room, I couldn't believe I was still in the same house.
I need you to make sure that your uniform's together.
The dry set is going to be done in 5 minutes.
Oh, nice.
I love all the remote features because I already have my phone in my hand all the time.
And they've got seasonal options too.
Oh, cool. All our appliances are always new because they get updates all the time.
Whenever my clothes is done, I don't have to get up and actually go take it out. The new update will keep it wrinkle-free.
Man, I'm super proud of my family and the changes that have taken place over the last few weeks. They've stepped up.
I've fallen out of love with the place that was supposed to be our forever home. Now I feel like our house is complete.
Not only has LG ThinQ Up helped us optimize our time, it's really improved our life around the house too.
So what's cool is the more features that we update, the more useful these appliances get.
But you don't have to use every update. You use the ones that are appropriate for you.
Oh, good. These appliances can't get outdated. It's like they're always new.
What I love the most is that these appliances evolve with us.
All the updates make it more customizable for us, makes it our kitchen, makes it our laundry room. It makes it more about what we want.
Life is looking up.